Assalamu alaikum, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise be to Allah, for giving us this blessed morning to gather in this assembly and seek knowledge, wisdom, and guidance. Today, I would like to share a few words about the importance of gratitude and kindness in our lives. Thankfulness is an essential virtue that brings numerous blessings. When we appreciate the blessings we have, we become content and happier individuals. Let us take a moment to be grateful for the gift of life, for our families, friends, teachers, and the opportunities we have to learn and grow. Allahu Akbar, Allah is the greatest, and He has blessed us with so much. Let us always remember to say thank you to Allah through our prayers and by using the blessings He has given us for good purposes. Moreover, let's remember the importance of showing love and compassion towards one another. In a world filled with challenges, acts of kindness and compassion can make a significant difference in someone's life. A simple smile, a helping hand, or a kind word can brighten someone's day and spread happiness. Remember, our beloved Prophet Muhammad said, "Kindness is a mark of faith, and whoever is not kind has no faith." Let us strive to be people of faith and kindness. And tell my servants to say that which is best. Quran, Surah Al-Isra, 1753. Let us make a commitment to use our words to spread goodness, positivity, and encouragement. We should avoid gossip, hurtful language, and negative speech. Instead, let's uplift and support one another, creating an atmosphere of harmony and unity. As we continue our day, let's remember the power of prayer. Let's pray for ourselves, our families, our teachers, our school, and for peace and prosperity in the world. Our prayers can be a source of strength and hope in difficult times. O Allah, accept our prayers. In conclusion, let's embrace gratitude, kindness, and the power of prayer in our lives. Together, let's create a positive and caring community that makes a difference in the world. May Allah reward you all with goodness. Peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be upon you all.